In December 2024, crypto enthusiasts and investors must choose between Dogecoin, Doge, the original meme coin that won over millions, and Rexas Finance, RXS, a utility-driven token that will revolutionize asset tokenization. Doge emphasizes community and culture, while RXS pioneers real-world asset, RWA, tokenization using blockchain technology. Smart investors must decide, should they go for Doge's nostalgia and virality or RXS's future promise? Let's examine each coin's strengths to determine which should be in your December portfolio. Rexas Finance, RXS utility overtaking the space. Rexas Finance is becoming the user portal to asset management's future, changing how we engage with real-world assets online. Rexas Finance tokenizes real estate, commodities, and other physical assets, giving users digital ownership and worldwide investing opportunities. This approach uses the Rexas Token Builder to tokenize real-world assets easily for people and corporations. This tool makes digital ownership straightforward and opens a global market. The Rexas Launchpad lets asset owners raise funding for their tokenized assets, expanding the platform's utility. It gives illiquid markets liquidity, allowing crypto investors to diversify their portfolios using tokenized assets. Due to its tremendous capabilities, Rexas Finance is poised to revolutionize crypto and bring real-world asset investment to the digital economy. Dogecoin, Doge confronting meme coin. Dogecoin, Doge, the meme coin with whimsical origins, is exhibiting positive development heading into December 2024. According to crypto expert Rekt Capital, Doge's price chart shows an ascending triangle pattern, a positive technical indicator that might lead to a breakout to 56 cents. This configuration usually indicates a rally continuation, especially when Dogecoin rose from 20 cents to 40 cents, indicating increased meme coin demand. This triangle may imply further upward momentum if Doge closes over 43 cents resistance. Dogecoin might reach 56 cents and spark a meme currency rally, affecting other meme coins like Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Pepe, which often follow Dogecoin. Doge is exciting because it is a meme-driven cryptocurrency with a strong community and cultural resonance, especially during bull periods. If the ascending triangle structure persists, Dogecoin might return to meme coin market leadership in December 2024, attracting risk-tolerant investors. Making a choice for December investment. For December 2024, Rexas Finance, RXS, is a better investment than Dogecoin, Doge, especially for crypto investors seeking long-term growth and innovation. Doge is popular due to its meme status and community-driven appeal, but Rexas Finance has more usefulness and disruptive potential. Rexas Finance has reached 95% completion in its 8th pre-sale stage, raising approximately $19,874,861 since its launch on 8 September 2024. With 281,246,339 RXS tokens sold, the strong investor interest in the token is evident. This strong early interest shows trust in the platform's ability to transform asset management through RWA tokenization. This project is relatively young, with 1 billion RXS tokens, giving it a perfect entry point for investors. The $1 million giveaway encourages early adopters with large benefits of $50,000 RXS tokens as an incentive for participation. The benefit of Rexas Finance looks realistic as it is tapping its tokens within real-world properties. With that in place, Rexas Finance has earned its place on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, making the token easily accessible due to the visibility it has reached on the platforms. Rexas Finance promises utility-backed returns with a token price of 10 cents, a predicted listing price of 20 cents, and a top 3 Tier 1 exchange listing. A thorough CertiK audit gives investors confidence in the project. Rexas Finance is a strategic investment that will revolutionize asset tokenization and produce lasting value for its community, unlike Dogecoin, which is speculative and volatile. Conclusion: Dogecoin, Doge, is popular due to its meme-driven culture and large community, but Rexas Finance, RXS, is a better option for December 2024, especially for crypto investors seeking long-term growth and innovation. Rexas Finance is more useful and transformative than Dogecoin, which appeals to nostalgia and virality. With its innovative real-world asset, RWA, tokenization and rapidly increasing pre-sale, which has raised significant capital, Rexas Finance is poised to transform asset management and generate substantial, utility-backed returns. RXS is a safe investment due to its visibility on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko and its CertiK audit. For investors seeking a stake in blockchain technology, Rexas Finance is more strategic and valuable than Dogecoin.